Hello friends, this is Rahul Chaudhary and today we are going to perform a basic Python program using dictionary data type. So here it is. So first of all we have created a empty list name A, this one. Then we have to take the size from the user, that how many elements that they want to enter into the dictionary. So we have created a variable called n and we are taking the input or the size, basically the size we are asking for. And as we all know that whatever user will input, it will be in this in the format of string. So we have to convert it into a into the integer value, because as we are taking a size, so basically it will be, obviously it will be in integer format. Then in the next step we have started a loop, a for loop, where we are taking the values that will user input, that will user will provide us uh, one by one. So here is our range, and in the bracket we have given the size. Like if the user give 2 as a size, then it will iterate for 0, 1 and 2. So here we have started a for loop where I in range and this n is our size. Like is if user have provided a size as 2, then our for loop or I will iterate for 0 and 1. So basically it will take two elements into the dictionary in the form of key and value. So this k is our key and we are taking input, and we have given the sentence enter key, and then we have v, which will accept the value. Then after taking the key and the value from the user, we are updating our dictionary as a key value format. This update is nothing but an inbuilt function in Python which will update the dictionary. So as our loop will be keep on taking the user input, and our update will keep on updating the elements in the dictionary, and then we are printing the dictionary. So let's run it. Number of elements, suppose we want to give 3 element, means our for loop will be iterate for I is equal to 0, I is equal to 1 and I is equal to 2, total 3 element. Let's press enter our key. So we will give some name Raj, value 1, Rahul, again we value 2, enter key, Rohit, value 3. So here we have given 3 elements in the form of key and value, where I have given my first element have key as Raj and value as 1. Second element has key as Rahul and value as 2. Third element has key as Rohit and value as 3. Let's press enter. So here we got our dictionary in the form of key and value. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video.